Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting immediately. Open the Google app or Assistant app and tap your profile picture. Once done, go to Settings, then Google Assistant Settings. Make sure Assistant language is set to English so voice options match. If you're on Android, use the More Settings path. On iPhone, open the Assistant app and access Settings. You need an internet connection to download voices. This prepares the account and device so the voice change applies correctly across devices. Now you'll pick the voice. In Assistant Settings, tap Assistant Voice or Voice and Sounds. You'll see color swatches or a list of voices labeled by accent or number. Tap each to hear a preview. This helps you judge pace, pitch, and friendliness. Choose one you like, and if offered, download it for offline responses. This reduces latency. Make sure the selected voice corresponds to the English variant you want, because some voices differ by region and pronunciation. Finish by confirming the selection and testing. Say, "Hey Google," and ask a simple query like, "What's the weather?" to hear the new voice. If it doesn't update, make sure Assistant language and Google account match and that the app is updated. For stubborn issues, restart the device, clear the Google app cache, or reinstall the app. These steps fix download or setting sync problems. If problems persist, toggle the language briefly and switch back to force a refresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.